In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive items in Monday.com. Whether you're looking to declutter your workspace or simply organize your tasks more effectively, archiving can be a game changer. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Monday.com homepage. This acts as the central hub for all your projects and tasks, and it's where you'll begin managing your item archives. If you're already signed in, simply head there by clicking on the Monday logo or by entering your team URL if you're not already logged in. Once on the home page, make sure you've selected the correct board where the item you want to archive is located. Next, you'll be looking for the specific item you want to archive. On your selected board, find the item that's ready to be archived. This is typically represented as a row in your task list. Once you've located it, look for the three dots, also known as the More Actions menu. This is usually found on the right side of the item. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various options tailored to manage what happens to that particular task or item. In this menu, you'll see several options, but the one we're interested in today is Archive. Clicking Archive will move that item from your active board into the archives. This action is perfect for tasks or projects that are completed, outdated, or simply not needed in your current view anymore. It's a great way to maintain a clean and efficient workspace without permanently deleting information, which may still be needed in the future. Archiving in Monday.com is not only straightforward but also reversible. If you ever need to retrieve an archived item, you can access your board's archive section. This feature ensures that your data isn't lost and gives you the flexibility to manage historical data effectively. To access your archived items, go to the board menu, usually accessed from the right side of your screen, and find the Archived History or Archived Items option. From here, you can restore any item back to your board if necessary. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to archive your items in Monday.com. Archiving will not only tidy up your workspace, but also enhance your productivity by keeping only the most relevant tasks in sight. Plus, with the option to restore archived items, you maintain full control over your project data. Give it a try today and let us know how it streamlined your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using Monday.com efficiently.